Hi folks, Mike from Papa Joe's again. Everything you see here is all you need for a great little summer salsa called Pico de Gallo. It's a little Spanish flair with tomato, white onion. I like to put a little red onion in there because I like the sweetness that it gives. Fresh lime juice, jalapeno, cilantro, a pinch of salt, and if you like garlic. I'm not putting it in today because I don't want it on my breath. So look, we're going to take some equal parts, so a third, a third, and a third, cilantro. And just like in other shows, we're going to take it and we're going to roll it together, make it nice and tight. Nice sharp knife. If you don't have a sharp knife at the house, go get it sharpened or go buy one, because nothing's going to cut you quicker than a dull knife. A sharp knife is going to go right through the food. A dull knife is going to go right through your finger. We're going to add this cilantro right in here, and boy, it smells great. I'm going to use two types of onions, like I said, so I'm just going to take this knife and break down a little bit of white onion, making sure those knuckles are in there so we're not chopping them off. This is a great little salsa to put on top of an omelet, some scrambled eggs, a salad, a piece of chicken. It's always going to be fresh and delicious if you make it from scratch like this. This is stuff you can keep in your pantry. And I might be a little heavy on the onion here. I'm just going to do a little bit more onion. I'm going to break down that red onion. Like I said, the red onion is going to give you that sweetness. Now jalapenos, I like to take them, seed them, core them in half, because I'm only going to use the skin, because you're still going to get the flavor, but not a lot of the heat you're going to get from the inside. Nice long strips, tuck those fingers, nice little pieces, and if you don't like it that hot, don't put too much in. Scoop that in there. Nice big squeeze of lemon or lime. It's going to give you that citrus that everyone loves. Equal parts tomato. Fan her out, work it down. Tomato, pinch of salt. You can just give this a little toss. I can tell I need a little bit more lime juice. This right here is a beautiful little salad you can eat on a chip, like a salsa, right on top of an omelet, on top of a nice piece of chicken. You'll love it. It's called Pico de Gallo. It's Papa Joe signing out.